the scenes. Next on Commodore Productions.
Romulan vessels, this is USS Ajax. Please respond. Please tell us what your intention is in this area. You're in violation of Romulan Federation Treaty. Please respond.
Comms, have you heard anything from the Romulan vessel?
Not yet, Commodore, but I am monitoring all channels. Yes, Commodore. Opening hailing frequencies now.
Romulan vessel. I'm Commodore Chuck Boone, commanding USS Ajax. We've been trying to contact you. What are your intentions? Please respond.
Commodore, I'm picking up Ferengi vessels. 2 of them. I'm also picking up real faint identifications of 2 Federation starships heading this way. I'll continue to scan and give you more information as soon as I get it.
Say what? There's 2 Ferengi trader ships out there? Wow, this is getting to be interesting. Can you tell me why they're there? What their intentions are? Comms, give them a call too. Find out what their intentions are.
Yes, Commodore. Ferengi vessels, please respond. What are your intentions are? Please respond.
Commodore, now I'm picking up 2 signals, clear signals. 2 Federation starships. One is USS Revenge. The second one is USS JLS. And they're coming in at warp speed.
Commander, thank you for the great news. Yeah, USS Revenge and USS JOS inbound? Alright. Yeah. Comms, when they get in range, tell them to box that Romulan in.
This is USS Ajax. Attention, USS Revenge and USS JLS. Commodore Boone wants you to box in the Romulan ship as soon as you arrive. USS Ajax out.
Comms, have you heard anything from the Ferengi vessels?
No, Commodore. Not a peep at all.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.